We will also join in your inaugural session and just brief about what we are going to do in the first week in the elaborate session. And it seems there two top people also were supposed to come. Their managing director has come from Delhi to Bangalore it seems, so these two people could not come. Mr. Srinivas Tadigadappa is the director, government enterprise. And the one Mr. Atul Dangere is the AP State head, manager AP State they call it. They also could not come. So with that inspiration, we have started. I have planned about 7 or 8 events. First event is already sponsored by Intel. That means the coming event in the first week. So similarly, we are going to have exclusive event on government policies. I don't have to elaborate. So many government policies will be there. There will be an exclusive event on taxation. The VAT, GST, expected GST, excise duty, service tax, all these things. The intention of this is again with our past experience, good or bad. Because of the lack of awareness, we commit some mistakes. We commit a small mistake, 10 rupees worth there, we pay a penalty of 100 rupees. So if you scale it up in real terms, it has run into lakhs and crores also. I have some friends here in this hall, sir, who has been penalized by service tax department by a couple of crores, 2 crores do it. So what this event is meant for that, we will be calling people at commissioners level from all these departments. Talks are going on. Similarly, we want to have a buyer vendor meet. Here buyer is BHEL and we want to involve some other local PSUs also. There are a good number of BHEL people, real purchasing people, real buyers will be there and real sellers and real subcontractors. I am actually taking more time only to spend some time. So this is how we are planning, sir. There are 7 or 8 events will end by December 1st week. And in the December 3rd week, we wanted to have a grand closing session. There, this time we planned Deputy CM. There we wanted to plan CM, sir. We'll have a good amount of time in between. Our leaders here will also help us in getting his appointment, and Gopal sir will definitely help us. We have to bring top leaders to this district. Appal Medak district is one of the very important districts as far as small scale industries are concerned. BHEL is there, 350 BHEL dependent vendors are there, and I don't think why anybody should not give top priority to this district. So we are planning for central ministers at the time of Justice Minister. As earlier I said, corporate questions are as such committed, and we will request CMD also to be present. Sir will definitely help, Arvind also help. So this is how I have briefed the whole program. And this session is, because we called a lot of government agencies, all stakeholders we called here, just to give this briefing, so that people will come forward in future and suggest us or conduct their own programs and give awareness to our people. This is the fundamental idea. And with this being an inaugural session, subsequently when Mr. Bhupan Reddy will be speaking, so we will formally request him to launch the brochure, brochure, and request him to declare the Silver Jubilee celebrations as open, formal inauguration. That will happen at the end when he is speaking. After Satma sir comes, if he comes he will do, otherwise sir will do. This is how. That's all. Thank you very much from my side. And now I request our Narsingh Garu to address the gathering, please.
నేను భగవంతునికి నమస్కారం చేస్తూ 25 సంవత్సరాల నుండి నన్ను కంటిన్యూగా అధ్యక్షునిగా పోటీ లేకుండా చేస్తున్నటువంటి మా మెంబర్లందరికీ కూడా నేను హృదయపూర్వకంగా నమస్కారం చేస్తున్నాను.